Hi guys, Anjani here. Welcome to Tech Show.
Consider you have visited some foreign country. Communicating in native language is difficult, right? So what you will do? You will ask for the help of translator. Translator will translate our native language into foreign language for foreigner and vice versa for you. That makes your communication quite easier. So even though we don't go to different nation, we communicate with someone who does not understand any human language. Who is that person? Our computer. We speak to a computer through high level programming language. But did you know that the programming language isn't the ultimate language that a computer understands? So, we will seek help of translators. So, what is translator? A translator is a programming language processor that converts a computer program from one language to another language. So we have different types of system software which was known as compiler, interpreter, assemblers, which will aid in making the conveyance smoother. So we have different system softwares, right? So we will dive into them in this session. So we already discussed what's the purpose of translator. Since computer only understand the binary language in the form of zeros and ones, so we have to convert our programming language into binary language. So that's the purpose of translator. So we will dive into compiler. So we already know what's the purpose of compiler. Compiler is used to translate high level language into low level language like binary language. So after reading the source code written in high level language, it performs below operations. Performs a pre-processing of source code. Gather all files required for the source code to compile. Passes the entire source code. Check for any syntax errors in the source code. Syntax analysis performs, then to understand the structure and semantics of the source code, and optionally translate the source code in an intermediate code known as object code or machine code to enhance the performance. This translates the object code to binary language such as executable code. Next is interpreter. So the interpreter is also used to translate source code from high level language to machine language. So, which is the same purpose of the compiler. So, what's the difference between the compiler and interpreter? That if the compiler and interpreter have same purpose, then why we have two different software system softwares? So, here the compiler will perform translation of whole source code to binary code. At the same time, interpreters are designed to translate single instruction at a time and execute them immediately. So this will cut this huge compilation duration in compiler. Yeah. Then, so when we are frequently updating our source code, this interpreter comes handy. So this is the difference between the compiler and interpreter. Compiler translates entire program to machine code at once. At the same time, interpreter translates single instructions of a program at a time. Compiler requires more translation time. Interpreter requires less translation time. Program execution is faster than interpreted languages. Program execution is slower than compiler languages. It usually generates additional intermediate code, which compiler, and in the same time interpreter didn't generate. Compiler requires more memory since it was generating extra object code. So at the same time, interpreter does not generate. Errors are only displayed at the end of compilation process in compiler, whereas errors are displayed as they met in interpreter. Executable code needs to be deployed in compiler. source code needs to be deployed in interpreter. So examples of compiled languages are C, C++, Java. Examples of interpreted languages are Ruby, Python, Shell script, etc. Assembler. An assembler is a translator used to translate assembly language into machine language. So it has the same function as a compiler, but it works like an interpreter. Assembly language is difficult to understand as it is a mid-level programming language. An assembler translates a mid-level language such as assembly language to machine level language, that is low-level language. I hope you enjoyed this section. Thanks for watching.